On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Karen Locasal, and I'm here to tell you about gourd art. Making a gourd vessel or a gourd bowl. What you're going to want to look for in this particular case when you're at your gourd farm and picking your gourd is you want to try and find one that's as flat as possible. You're probably not going to find one that's completely flat, but try to find one that's going to sit really well for you. You certainly don't want one that's actually going to sit really cockeyed, or one that has a really flat back to it, or in this case you're going to want to watch for any kind of bug holes or any major blemishes that you're not going to be able to work around. Some blemishes are good that you can actually make your design go around it and make that part of your design. But if it's something that's not going to work for you, you need to keep an eye out for that. So you want something flat. You want something that when you cut your top out, you're going to have enough height here to give you a nice surface area to put your embellishments on. And in some cases, if you have a nice one like this, you can actually make your cut here and use this as an actual lid for it so that it is a two-piece gourd rather than just a simple bowl. And in that case, sometimes in this particular case, it kind of looks like an apple. It's nice to have a nice stem. Kind of depends on what your end result is going to be, what size and shape gourd to look for.